Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the filter from Brita mug. So this filter has been used for 2 months and I'm just going to change it. So first remove this lid. You can grab it with your 2 fingers like this and just pull it out. You probably already know that because that's how you feel the mug. With these 2 fingers you just grab the filter like this and you just pull it up with your left hand, keeping pressed here. Okay, and this is the old filter. Now you can just take a new filter with your mug in this position. You take the filter and you will see here saying Brita. With this position you can just insert it like this. Now it doesn't really matter because this filter is symmetric, meaning it's the same on all sides, but you can just do it like this. From what I've read on the internet, this is how it should be done. By the way, before that, if you have any kind of water in this area, so below the filter, you can just remove this part and just empty that water. Then you can just insert the filter. You just insert it like this and you just push it down. You can't really break it because it's some durable plastic, and that's pretty much it. You can just set up the lid again on the top and you're good to go. Also, to reset the timer here, you can just press start and keep it pressed for until all the 4 lines go up, and it will start flashing like this, and then just take off the finger, and the display will show 4 lines, which means 4 weeks. You can after 1 month, if you want to go another month, you can just reset it the same as I showed you, depending how much water do you drink, if you need to replace it every 1 month or 2 months. So this is how it looks. You can just start to filter water once again. Just one more detail, some water, as I said, goes below the filter in this area, and from what I've read, that is completely normal. Because the water doesn't actually get inside the filter. This is how the filter looks at the bottom, and it has these 2 areas, but actually water doesn't get inside here. It's the same if you get glass and you set it the other side like this in the water. You will notice that water doesn't get inside the glass. It's the same thing with the filter here. Water will stay there, but it will not get inside the filter, and normally only from this place the water gets filtered in, so it will not get in contact with that water, which will stay there for 1 month or 2. Alright, so this was the video. I hope that you found it useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.